Prime Movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Associated with 100 pies are in Packers and Movers at Raigad district, Maharashtra. The Packers and Movers, where they provide the service at best and cost-effective price range for every customer. They might be offering you low prices, but their services could be deficient too. Best professionals. Packers and Movers, Raigad district, Maharashtra. Packers and Movers are people whom you pay to come to your home, put your items in boxes, carry out furniture, load them up into your truck, and unload them into your new home. As these service providers become our one-stop shop. Bike transport services, Raigad district, Maharashtra. You can make sure your bike will send to specified destination. They care in a very well manner and with very cost-effective. Bike is shining new with very fragile parts, then it would be very vulnerable to getting damaged. Car transport services by car carrier, Raigad district, Maharashtra. The premium service makes people trust this service effectively. Via car transport services offers door-to-door car carriers service in India and enclosed trucks and trailers for your peace of mind. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services, Raigad district, Maharashtra. You will get these qualities depending on your budget and requirements. Household goods luggage transfer services simplify your move further by using relocation and storage. Relocation services, Raigad district, Maharashtra. Professional Packers and Movers Company. Services around the cities in Raigad district, Maharashtra. Shifting solutions to all types and requirements in fixed schedules. Commercial complex, office, factory, industrial relocation shifting solution, Raigad district, Maharashtra. This business actively encourages persons with limitations to apply for the position since they provide transportation for them. Commercial moves don't have to be overwhelming. Local transport services within city, interstate and interstate transportation, Raigad district, Maharashtra. This business actively encourages persons with limitations to apply for the position since they provide transportation for them. We now have good choices to select the best one by their faster services. Goods storage, warehousing and company working spaces available, Raigad district, Maharashtra. Warehouses are used by all different types of businesses. For local and international relocation services, you can get the transportation service. Indeed, the properties are safely loaded and unloaded for different side directions. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance, Raigad district, Maharashtra. We can use the best technique that your goods never damaged during the transportation. The carrier might not undertake the risks of damage to your goods. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle, Raigad district, Maharashtra. The pet relocation team is at full capacity and will not be able to accept new clients. The practice itself is fairly straightforward. A relocation agency typically picks up your pet at your home. Contact us on shifting@cargo in www.cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.